We have a crucial OPEC meeting coming up next week where oil-producing nations are expected to cut production to drive up prices. Now, Saudi Arabia would be happy with that, of course, as it's going through a bit of a cash crunch right now. It is, in fact, desperate to find alternative sources of revenues and is fortunate that there's more under their sand than just oil, as Mobin Nasir explains.
He looks calm as he smiles for the cameras, but the Saudi Crown Prince has a lot on his mind. Mohammed bin Salman is leading the charge to diversify Saudi Arabia's economy. There's much beneath its desert sands besides oil, and now the government wants to tap it.
This place you are in, that did not exist in 2007. There was nobody at all other than a good number of camels. This project is the first project to use phosphate in Saudi Arabia. The phosphate has been there for 35 million years. But it required infrastructure, and now the infrastructure is there.
The state-owned mining company Ma'aden is also producing aluminum and other alloys. It wants to carve out a share of the global market, but faces intense competition. And losing its grip on another market is what landed the kingdom in its current crisis. Oil is the bell cow of its economy, and the price of crude has crashed since 2014. That's taken a big slice out of the national output. The crisis that's followed has left major Saudi companies unable to pay workers and contractors. And the Saudi finance minister is giving out assurances when payments are due.
Billions.
It's a significant amount in billions of dollars. The government intends to make all delayed payments as soon as possible.
The oil minister says he has the support of OPEC to cut output and raise prices. But that doesn't include Russia and the United States, two of the world's biggest oil producers. And analysts doubt an OPEC deal will bring any big change in prices.
OPEC don't have a very good history when it comes to sticking to oil supply quotas. So the market is pretty skeptical of that. We have, of course, just had a recent announcement from the US's BIS suggesting that for the first time in 40 years, the US could be able to export some oil. So again, that changes the environment for OPEC.
OPEC members will meet next week to sign a deal that they hope will boost oil prices. But if the plan doesn't boost Saudi oil revenues as well, it could mean tougher times for the kingdom and its rulers. Mobin Nasir, TRT World.